I did COPA from March 2024 to September 2024. After I finished COPA, I then pursued into a full-time job in a local cafe, and now I'm the manager of Coffee Hut in Llangefni. So pan nes I gadael ysgol, nes I dechrau coleg yn Coleg Menai Bangor yn neud Beauty Therapy Level 1. O'n I ddim yn really hoffi fo, ddim really idda fi. So nes I gadael hwnna wedyn, o'n I ddim yn neud yn byd am couple misoedd. O'n i'n neud COPA yn mis Haf yn 2023 yn neud y summer programme, so nes I mynd nôl yn fyno i'n trio neud rhywbeth yn bywyd fi am dipyn bach. They helped a lot, as in get me my confidence to do CVs, go to different places and like that. Helped me in many different ways and try and find a job that I would want to do and what could help me pursue into the future. I would fully recommend it. It did help a lot for me to get the job I'm in currently now. It gives you the confidence, it helps you in many different ways, and the staff there are absolutely amazing.